The light damages your camera. The light damages your camera. Yeah.
Like permanently?
Over time, yeah.
Or won't hurt if it's won't like permanently damage you.
Okay, you're right-handed?
Yes.
Okay. So right to left, little circle. It helps to keep your left hand on the table, also holding the gun, so that way it's more steady. Yeah.
Yeah, because I remain stationary when I do that.
You can't move when you do that? Huh?
Marcus, you guys have 10 minutes.
So then, okay.
So whatever works for you.
Not too bad.
Like third time.
Yeah.
It's gonna do the thing.
All you gotta do is try to follow me, mirror what I do, because I'm left-handed. Here's your torch. So you see that little black thing on the trigger? You're gonna put your finger under that, and then when you pull down on that trigger, it'll start moving outward. Like I said, do it on this end, or that blue, straight up and down. You can hold it, you can use your arm like this, where you want to move it with your hands. You can hold it on your stomach, so you can kind of move forward back, whatever's comfortable for you. Remember, straight cut, keep it straight up and down, and go for it. Straight up and down? Yes, sir. Okay. Alright. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. We're going to put that back in there. You're going to take your tail off. You're going to lift up the piece of steel. And then on this back end over here, you're going to have a slide. What you're going to want to do is with your other hand, you're going to want to use this. You're going to break off all that material you see. Right on that piece. I suggest holding up against this so it makes it easier to hit it up and down. Yeah, there you go. At the end of this demonstration, all the things we can do, if you guys are still mad at me or think I'm stupid, I got a lot of slag on the sides of these we need to cut off. I'll have you guys bang the hell out of it. Alright. So there you go, that's your first straight cut. Alright. This test, what you would end up doing is you would put that through the hole. So like mine was a little small, that one's too big. That first one right in the middle could be just right. You just gotta make sure you clean it off real good. So this piece is done. So what you want to trace it out yourself, or would you want me to do it?
I want me to do it.
Alright. You say you want me to do it?
Yeah.
I normally do it without gloves just because I don't mind getting too hot right there. All you're doing is you're making sure it's straight how you want it. Hold it down with your fingers, keep it in one spot. All you're doing is straight. Just like a coloring book, but you're using soapstone and steel. And then when you're tracing it, again, just like a coloring book, but you're not coloring it. keep touching it, keep it straight up and down. Start in that corner, it'll spew a couple sparks out, but that's completely fine. Once it's through, you'll be fine. It'll go straight into the bin.
Yeah, I have my camera.
That's absolutely fine. Everyone who starts off here ain't that good. But hey, you can say you made the square through it.
I technically did.
Gotcha, absolutely.
I was looking for the word.
I got you.